of blend AI, we can create voice model, voice chatbot, or we can also integrate AI color. So we are on website called blend AI, and we create our first pathway. So you can click on conversational pathway. So if you want to top up, simply click on billing and credit. You can see I have a credit of 1.86. So blend bill at 0.09 per minute. So you can top up. So let's go to on conversational pathway. Click on that and click on create pathway, or you can start with a template also. So I go with any of this. I simply click on lead qualification, and you can customize in your way and simply rename it. Lead design and sales qualification pathway for B2B products. Click on generate. So you can create this type of workflow or credit. You can see that designer sales qualification pathway for B2B software product begin with a warm introduction. So you can write your prompt on this. So you can also create. So you can create with AI. If you want to import your pathway, somebody share your link, simply import from here. Or if I want to create from here, simply click on this. You can create from simply start not using any templates, and this is the AI that can create for us templates. You can see that it is creating now. We need to add a couple of seconds or couple of minutes. So here take our time to build this, and let's see the output. Now it is still generating now. So you can also skip this part, so if you don't want to present it, and you can say I am a calling. So we are also I am Alex, calling to learn about more about your business. You can play with. I think I say design of sales qualification pathway to for B2B product design with warm introduction and asking qualifying question about company size, current challenge, budget range, and decision timeline, including path for hot leads, ready to buy, warm leads, lead nurturing, and cold lead not a fit. Schedule demo. Let's wait. I have also the another pathway. Simply open that, so I can also explain from you that just open this URL, so it can take a time. So I already made one. So I open my restaurant chat model. go to here and click on conversational pathway and choose restaurant. So it is created. Promote production. Click on button one and I think it is also. No item, nothing founding, no editing. Okay, nothing opening. I don't know. Click on conversational pathway. Click on this. Click on this. It is edit staging pathway. And now it is opening. So I can get you a basic of this. So let's click on this one. So this is the default node type, and here you can write our name of this, anything like. So here is it is not moving, so you can also adding a prompt. You can also add a text. Hey, I am calling from this restaurant, how can I help you? So prompt can take our time to respond, you know that. And loop condition we can discuss in next time. So it can use the user to grab information. So advanced option we can see. Let's click on this. So you know, so if a model have one, so it can go to more creative. So if you have less numbers, so it can provide relevant information, you know that. So the prompt it should default by not 0.2, that is okay for us. And dynamic integration threshold means when I enable this, so it can, so when somebody speak with AI model, when somebody asks question, so AI can forget speaking, you know that. When I enable this, so if anything asking, it can respond, it can speak first, then listen. You can play with this, or you can speak user response like here. You can see it can skip this part and go to the next. This is the type of this. And disable conditional overload, and there are many things I can teach you, and I simply explain you a little bit about this. Click on this, go to edit bottom, and you write a pathway like prompt here. Over here it go and where it go, you can describe it. So it can take a better decision, but it can take time to respond to the user. That was the bad thing. So let's meet in the next video. Okay, bye.